Tensions between India and Pakistan have flared up again, and this time it's serious. After a deadly terror attack in Pahalgam killed 26 people, mostly tourists, emotions are running high. In response, India has suspended the Indus Water Treaty with Pakistan, a big diplomatic move. Now Pakistan has started unprovoked firing along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir, and the situation is getting tense. So let's have a look at the life near the LOC. In villages near the border like Salotri and Karmara in the Poonch district, people are worried. These areas are very close to Pakistani army posts, so any firing puts them directly at risk. To stay safe, villages are reopening and cleaning their underground bunkers, informally known as Modi bunkers. They are putting beds, blankets and food supplies inside, getting ready just in case things get worse.
बॉर्डर में इस वक्त ये चीज है कि कहीं ना कहीं जिन जो पुराने जो बनाए गए थे बंकर, उन बंकरों से लोग दूर भाग गए थे या बंकरों का पता भी नहीं था, लेकिन अब फिर से साफ सफाई चल रही है। फिर से एक डर चल रहा है कि कहीं दोबारा से कहीं फायरिंग ना हो और फिर से हम जो है अपनी जानें बचाने के लिए जो है इन बंकरों में दोबारा से जाना पड़े। तो ये एक कहीं ना कहीं एक डर का माहौल जो है वो जरूर है, लेकिन एक उम्मीद है कि अभी भी जो है अमन कायम रहेगा और जो है इस पूरे सिनेरियो में जो हालात चल रहे हैं इनका कुछ बेहतर हल होगा।
तो हमें इस चीज की बड़ी दुख महसूस हो रहा है कि जो ये काम हुआ है ये गलत हुआ है। तो हम अपनी फौज के साथ और अपनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के साथ हैं। जब भी हमारी जरूरत पड़ेगी इंशाल्लाह हम बिल्कुल अपनी जान देने के लिए भी तैयार हैं।
So why Modi bunkers? These bunkers are called Modi bunkers because many were built during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's second term. The government built thousands of those shelters to protect civilians living near the border, especially in districts like Poonch and Rajouri, where shelling happens more often. In fact, by 2021, around 8,000 underground bunkers were built along the LOC and the international border. Let's have the latest update on ceasefire violations. For 5 straight nights, Pakistani troops have fired at Indian posts along the LOC. On the night of April 28 to 29, firing was reported in Kupwara, Baramulla, Poonch and Akhnur sectors. The Indian army responded with what they called a measured and effective reply. So far, there have been no Indian casualties, but the threat remains. Pakistan reacted with cross-border firing, and now both sides are on edge. As tensions rise, border villages are once again living in fear. But thanks to preparations like these bunkers, many are hoping to stay safe while the rest of the country watches closely. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for more updates.